Guys, welcome to my channel. And today's video, we will going to do a Fibonacci numbers on Python. And the second one is like it is like the checking if a person is eligible for voting or for drinking alcohol like that. So just checking their age. So we will be having a two coding right now. So first Fibonacci number, then the second is the checking if you are eligible. So if you put a number there and then the code will just tell you if you are eligible for voting drinking. That's and that's for today's video, guys. Hello guys. So first I will do the Fibonacci numbers. I will just do the coding first, then I will explain it to you later on how I do that. So let's type our coding. This is my coding in Fibonacci number. So I think okay, that's right. So I will explain it to you how this code works. And first let us let's break down the code. So first the function definition. So look at generate Fibonacci limit. The first one, this one. So this function takes a one parameter limit, which represent the maximum value up to which Fibonacci numbers will be generated. It initializes Fib sequence as a list of containing the first two Fibonacci numbers 0 and 1. So while the loop, so the second one is the loop. So while the loop continues, the next Fibonacci number, the sum of two numbers in Fibonacci sequence exceed the limits. Inside the loop, the next Fibonacci number is calculated by adding the two numbers in which Fibonacci sequence happened, and it's appended to the list. So the return statement, so the next part is the return statement. So once the while loop exists, the function returns the list of Fibonacci numbers generated. So here, the short one is the main function. So we will just go in here in this part. So the main function, this function is very entry point of the program. It prompts the user to enter a limit for the Fibonacci number. It calls to generate Fibonacci functions with user provided limit. Finally, it prints generated a Fib. So it will just print the generated Fibonacci number, guys. The fifth one, user input and output. The input, so here's the input, guys. Did you see here the input that we put here? So the input function prompts the user to enter the limit for Fibonacci number, and the enter the value is converted to integer using int. The generated Fibonacci number are printed using print. Main, and the last one is the main execution, yung black, this one. So this is the if underscore underscore names underscore equals. This part, this block, this block ensures that the main function is executed only when the script is run directly, not imported as a module into another script. So overall, this program takes a limit from the user, generates Fibonacci number up to that limit and then prints the generated Fibonacci sequence. So you'll just run this code. So first put your limit like 112, and this it's Fibonacci numbers. So guys, this is our first part of our video. So hi guys, so for the second coding is the eligibility of a person. So let's start the coding. So I will just share to you the screen of Python. So again, I will just first type the code and then explain to you later how does it work, parts by parts. It has only three parts. So first, the check eligibility. So this function takes an age as an input and check the eligibility of the user for a various activity based on their age. It uses conditional statement if, else if, and else to determine the eligibility. So the second one is the other one. So this is the second one, the def main. So we first prompt the user to enter their age using the input function. The input is then converted to an integer and stored in a variable age. We have a try except block to handle the potential errors that might occur when converting the input to an integer. If the input cannot be converted to an integer, the value is error will be raised and will display an error message. So let's try if we put 0 because it is a invalid age. Uh, But it says here that you are not eligible for voting and drinking. So you all know that your 0 is not a valid age. So the last the last part in this program is this. If name is main name, other main. So it block this part block ensures that main function is only executed if the script is run directly, not if it's imported as a module into another script. So overall, this program takes user input per age and checks its validity, and then determines the user eligibility for voting, drinking, and driving based on their age, displaying appropriate messages. So guys, this is all for today's video, and I hope that you understand something in this coding. So let's just stop share, and thank you for listening and watching this video. See you guys next time. Bye.